Alright guys, there it is. That's the best battery charger I ever had. This thing's 25 years old. It was used when I got it. A guy was cleaning out his storage unit, said, give me 40 bucks for it. And I bought it gladly. This thing has never let me down until not long ago. I plugged it in and hooked it up and it smoked. And I just refuse to believe that it's dead. You know, I had the handle wrapped with like tape for insulation so I could just clip my battery terminals up on there. And I took it all apart here, you see. I don't know what I'm looking at. I mean, I play mechanic. I'm just an idiot with a lot of tools. But, like I said, smoke came out of this thing. Is it possible to fix this and rebuild it? Because I bought a new one from Amazon and it lasted 2 charges. And then the plastic thing just died. Is this repairable? Because I want this back. Somebody that knows more than me, which is a lot. Thank you. Have a good day.